Hi, welcome to my shop. I'm going to show you a little chip deflector I made. This is made out of some Lexan and a piece of oak. Just screwed it together. Put a couple magnets in the bottom so it can stick to my tools. I experimented with this down in Arizona this year with just sticking this thing through a piece of corrugated cardboard, and it worked pretty good. I know you're going to get some chips on you when you're turning, but this will help you avoid getting a lot more than you need or get blasted with them when you're turning. I'm going to find my glasses here. Alright, now there's a few tools like a bidan, a parting tool, and roughing gouges and spindle gouges that typically throw chips straight back. Like a tool like this is a bowl gouge. This thing will throw chips off to the side. It doesn't blast you so bad. But you get a spindle gouge or a roughing gouge, throws them straight back. Okay? Bidan does the same thing. I rough a lot with the bidan. So I made this just to try to keep a few chips off me, especially when I'm wearing sandals down there in Arizona. It gets in my feet all the time. So I put this together just to try it out when I got home. Flex the chips down, and I hardly eat any of them. Probably not the coolest thing to do if you're a middle-class turner, but I just don't like eating more chips than I have to. So these magnets will hold it on so you can keep it in place. And I mean, it really stops the chips from flying back in. So anyway, I just made this short video to show you how it works, and I'll probably post it on Lumberjacks a little later. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.